Basic operation. Press and hold the GS key for 3 seconds until the blue light flashes start after turning on. It is in standby mode. Press and hold volume plus key plus the GS key greater than plus volume key for 3 seconds at the same time when the power is on. Indicator light. Red light flashes 3 times. Blue light flashes once. Clear the parent record successfully. Simultaneously press and hold the GS key greater than plus FM key 3 self to shut down. Q8 is connected with a mobile phone via Bluetooth. Press and hold the GS button of the Q8 for 3 seconds to turn it on, and then press and hold the GS button for 5 seconds until the red and blue lights flash alternately to enter the parent mode. Turn on the Bluetooth of the mobile phone, find the Q18, the available device list, and click pairing. After the connection is successful, you can control the music of the mobile phone. Control the incoming calls of the mobile phone. Listen to the navigation. Replay the last number. Wake up the voice assistant of the mobile phone and other functions. After the Q8 is successfully connected to the mobile phone Bluetooth, click the GS button to play or pause the music. Click the Music Plus button and volume. Button 2, increase, decrease the music volume. Long press the Music Plus key for 3 self to switch to the next music. Long press the volume key to switch to the previous music. After the Q8 is successfully connected to the Bluetooth of the mobile phone, when the mobile phone has an incoming call, if there is no operation within 8 seconds, the incoming call will be answered automatically. Click the EIS button within 5 seconds to answer the call manually. And click the GS button again to hang up the phone call. Press and hold the GS button for 3 seconds within 5 seconds to directly hang up the incoming call. After the Q8 is successfully connected to the mobile phone via Bluetooth, double-click the GS button to automatically dial the last outgoing call. After the Q8 is successfully connected to the Bluetooth of the mobile phone, press and hold the GS button for 3 seconds to wake up the voice assistant at the mobile phone. Q8 Music Sharing Mode Operation Tutorial. Simultaneously click the GS button and the button on Unit 1 Q8 and Unit 2 Q8 to enter the music sharing mode, and Machine No to can hear the music played by the mobile phone of Machine No 1. When the blue lights of the 2 machines flash slowly at the same frequency, the music sharing mode pairing is successful. Unit 2 can hear the music played on Unit 1's mobile phone. Clicking the EIS button on Unit 1 and the EIS button on Unit 2 can control music playback and pause. Press and hold the plus or key of Unit 1 Q8 and Unit 2 Q8 to switch to the next song. Previous music. Note: Q8's music sharing mode supports up to 2 machines at the same time. Q8 paired with EUC connection. When Q8 is powered on, long press the GS button of Q8 and key for 5 seconds until the red and blue lights flash alternately. Press and hold the EUC's FM key and key for 5 seconds until the red and blue lights flash once to clear the parent successfully. Click any key of EUC. When the blue light of Q8 flashes slowly, Q8 and the EUC are paired successfully. You can control incoming phone calls and music through EUC, machine intercom, volume, FM and other functions within the group. Units Q8 Mesh Intercom Pairing Tutorial. When for Q8 South are powered on, press and hold the Mesh button on all Q8 South for 5 seconds. Until the red and green lights flash alternately, you enter pairing mode. Click the Mesh button of any Q8 when the green lights of the 4 machines flash slowly on the same frequency. The pairing is successful. The operation of 6 Q8 South entering mesh intercom is the same as above. Q8 channel switching tutorial. When the 2 Q8s are turned on, press and hold the 2 machines at the same time. The mesh button on the side will flash red and green alternately for 5 seconds to enter pairing mode. Click the mesh button of any machine, and when the 2 machines. When the green light flashes slowly at the same frequency, the mesh intercom mode pairing is successful. The default is channel 1, with a total of 5 channels. Click the mesh key and the plus key on the side of unit 1 at the same time. You can switch to channel 2. Click the mesh key and the key at the same time to quickly switch from channel 1 to channel 5. Note: simultaneous intercom can only be achieved when both Q8s are on the same channel. Otherwise, simultaneous intercom cannot be achieved. Q8 microphone mute operation tutorial. When the 2 Q8s are powered on, press and hold the mesh button on the side of the 2 machines at the same time for 5 seconds. Until the red and green lights flash alternately to enter pairing mode. Click the mesh button of any machine when the green lights of the 2 machines flash slowly at the same frequency. The mesh intercom mode pairing is successful. Click the mesh button on unit 1 to mute the microphone. You can only listen, you cannot speak. Click the mesh button again to unmute the microphone, and you can speak and intercom. 1 Q8 and 1 V6 Pro Plus Bluetooth pairing tutorial. When V6 Pro Plus and Q8 are powered on, press and hold the GS key and plus key of Q8 for 5 seconds, until red and blue flash alternately to enter pairing mode. Press and hold the motor button of V6 Pro Plus for 5 seconds until the red and blue lights flash alternately to enter pairing mode. When the blue lights of the 2 machines flash slowly at the same frequency, the pairing is successful and people can talk at the same time. Successive Q8 listening mode operation tutorial. When Unit 1 and Unit 2 are in the mesh intercom state, press and hold the mesh key. And key of Unit 3 and Unit 4 for 5 seconds to enter pairing mode. Click the mesh button of Unit 2 when the green lights of the 2 units flash slowly at the same frequency. Pairing is successful. Unit 3 and Unit 4 can hear the intercoms from Units 1 and 2, but Units 3 and 4 can only listen but not talk. FM on and off. When the Q8 is powered on, press and hold the plus and keys of the Q8 for 5 seconds to turn on the FM radio station. Press and hold the plus and keys for 5 seconds to turn off the FM radio station. Long press the volume plus button to switch to the next channel. Long press the volume button to switch to the previous channel.
UJ's Mesh Intercom Experts.